Struggling to write your course description or promo page? You're not alone. Most creators freeze when it's time to describe their offer in words. Here's the good news. AI can now write your entire promo page for you. And it can do it in minutes, even if you have zero copywriting experience. Studies show 73% of creators get stuck writing sales copy. Yet those who use tools or outsource convert up to 2.5 times better. Your course description isn't just filler. It's the first thing potential students read. It's your handshake, your pitch, and your sales engine in one. So let's break down how AI can make this easy for you. Step 1. Use a proven copywriting prompt, not a blank page. AI Creator Max includes plug-and-play templates for sales pages that convert. Step 2. Tell it who your course is for and what outcome they'll get. The AI takes care of the wording. You stay focused on your teaching. Step 3. Make it scannable. Add headlines, bullets, and bold benefits. People don't read walls of text. They skim. Help them decide fast. Here's an example. Instead of saying this course is about Instagram, let AI write grow your Instagram in 30 minutes a day with no guesswork. That sounds like a result. That builds trust and curiosity. Next, keep the tone confident and friendly like a helpful expert. AI Creator Max is trained to sound like a smart friend, not a robot. Step 4. Always test. Create 3 versions, then use the one that flows best. You don't need to get it perfect. You just need to get it published. Bonus tip. Add proof. One sentence about past results adds a huge boost. Say something like used by 2,000 creators to grow their digital business. Now your promo page speaks for itself, with real social proof. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more creator AI tips. We've got a full playlist that turns content stress into easy, repeatable wins. And if you want to try this right now, visit AICreatorMax.com. Choose the course sales copy template. Paste your idea, click generate, and your entire promo page is done in minutes.